Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be an Amazon haul video, and I'm literally sitting down to make a haul video after a really long time. The last time I made a haul video was back in December, and it was an ethnic jewelry haul. And in case you haven't watched it, please go and watch it, but after you finish watching this video. So yeah, I just bought a few random things from Amazon in the past few days, and I thought why not make a haul about it. And yeah, there are quite a few things in this haul, and I really can't categorize this haul into a specific category because I have stuffs from beauty, a little bit of home decor, and a little bit of fashion too. So yeah, it's like a miscellaneous haul video, but I'm really excited to share what I've purchased, and all the products mentioned in this video is under rupees 500. So yeah, this haul is also gonna be super affordable, and in my personal opinion, I think these are really worth the price. And yeah, I'm just gonna share you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product which I got is a super useful beauty tool, and it is an eyelash curler. So yeah, I got this from the brand Vega. It is the Vega Premium Eyelash Curler. This is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is quite good, and also this is quite inexpensive. I think I got this for like 159 rupees during the Republic Day sale. And yeah, I was looking for an good eyelash curler for a really long time, and I finally found this one. This has some really good reviews, and of course this is from the brand Vega, so I always have a good experience with this brand. So I think that this product will also work really good. So yeah, I've still not tried this. I'll be trying this out soon, and I'll be reviewing it in any of my next videos maybe. So for that, stay tuned. And if you're a beginner in makeup and you want a good eyelash curler, definitely go check this out. Okay, so my next purchase from Amazon is a super random thing which we usually don't go searching for in the market, but it's so useful. I think you should all own this one because it's also very affordable. It's the Vega pop-up brush. This is how it looks. The outer appearance might be very ordinary, but when you open this one, you have a mirror at one side, so you can see me getting recorded through my camera. And yeah, here you have a pop-up brush. So if you press it from behind, you have to just press it, and voila, the brush comes out, and you can brush your hair through this, and you have this mirror to see. So yeah, if you're college going or office going woman, just carry this in your bag. This is so compact, like when you close it, it's just a circular object. It will take very little space in your bag. You don't have to carry a separate mirror or a separate big paddle brush. You just carry this one, and on the go you can just brush your hair like this. So yeah, it's super useful. You can use the mirror to do your makeup, like touch up your makeup and everything. So it's like an all-in-one stuff. It's super useful, and definitely have this one. And the price, I got this for like 152 rupees, which I think is super affordable. And also it comes from the brand like Vega. So yeah, definitely go check this one out. The next two items which I have over here with me are these. So yeah, if you're guessing what's this, these both are facial hair removers, and I've seen the advertisements of these so much on Instagram. Also, my mom sees advertisements of these on Facebook, and when TikTok was also there, this was so much advertised. But actually, none of us expected that this would work. Even I was like, this wouldn't work. So yeah, if you're guessing why I've got two, so the longer one is for your eyebrows, because this one has a very pointed tip. As you can see, it is a pointed tip, and it provides precision. And the shorter one is for like your other facial hair, like for your upper lip and your other facial hair, whatever it is. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has a much rounded tip, so I don't know if you can use this for your eyebrows or not. I'm really scared to use this one for my eyebrows because this one has a much bigger tip. So yeah, you might be ruining your eyebrows by using this. So use this one for your eyebrows, and I'll be reviewing this very soon on my channel, so you have to stay tuned for that. I'll be reviewing it. I'll be telling if it's worth the price or not, if it does what it claims to do, and how to use it, demonstrate everything. And if you're wondering how this works, both of them are battery operated. You require one battery for that. So all of that information I'll be sharing in that video. So as of now, I can say that this has really good reviews, and I've also heard that they are painless. So that's something I was really looking forward to, because if you're someone who removes facial hair off, or if you get your eyebrows done, you know how much it pains. Like, it pains a lot. You literally get tears in your eyes if you do your eyebrows. So yeah, this is, I thought that this would be a great alternative to that. This also has really good reviews, and you really don't expect these to work according to the price. I think I got this one, like the eyebrow one, for 499 rupees, and this was cheaper, and the prices keep changing, but I think I got this one for 359 rupees. So these are also available in a lot of other brands. So you have to keep checking the reviews, and you have to see which one has the best reviews and purchase that one. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these out, and let's see if they work or not. So the next item is not something for me, it is for my mom. There are actually two things which my mom got from Amazon. The first one is a face wash. It's the Lotus Professional Phyto-RX Deep Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is not the first time she has got this. She's been using this for months, and she has really good reviews for this one, and that's why she's sticking to this face wash. She doesn't use any other face wash on her skin, and this product works wonders. It has really lightweight texture, and it looks so transparent, really cleanses the face very well. So yeah, this is something I would really recommend. Go and check this one out. The next product which my mom got from this haul is a Lotus Herbals Nutrinite Skin Renewal Nutritive Night Creme, and this one is suitable for all skin types. This is how the packaging looks like. This is also a product my mom swears by. She's been using this night cream for like years now, and she doesn't want to use any other night cream on her face. So yeah, once you are in your 20s, I guess you should start applying a night cream on your face, and this one you should definitely go for. It's also really lightweight, doesn't feel greasy on your skin. So yeah, this one is also a product my mom would actually really recommend to y'all. The next product is not from the beauty category. It's a home decor product, and I have purchased this from the brand called Sage by Nisha Gupta. So yeah, I have a big dabba over here. As you guys can see, this will literally covered my whole camera screen. But yeah, this is something I got, and if you're guessing what's there inside this big dabba, we have a wall art here. So let me take this out. Just look at this, guys. I mean, I know I'm fully covered. You cannot see me in the screen, but this one deserves like literally all the attention. Just see this one again. I mean, I'm obsessed. This looks so beautiful. This wall art is so Indian, so rich. The colors are so vibrant. I mean, a perfect home decor piece. So yeah, I have got back to this brand for the second time. The first time I purchased from this brand was also a wall art, which I already have in my room right over there, and it is also of the same dimension, but it has some floral designs over it. So I was so impressed by it. Like, my whole family was so impressed by this one. Also, I didn't expect, but my dad was so mesmerized by it, so we got another one, and that one was from Myntra, and this one's from Amazon, but the brand is the same. So yeah, if you are not getting good ones from Amazon, you can definitely check this brand from Myntra also. And yeah, this product is for like $4.99. Can you believe, guys? Like, I can't believe I would have expected this to be expensive. Last year also when I bought that one, it was also for 4.99, and the same price has been there over a year. And this one is something you should definitely go for if you're looking like a good thing to, decorate your space or your room. If you just want to add a touch of creativity to your room, just add this one. The whole look of your room will be changed. And yeah, I just can't stop speaking about this one because I'm so impressed. And also this, I think the MRP of this is rupees 1000, but you get this for like 50% off. Like, I got this at 50% off, and I'm really impressed by this one. You've seen how beautiful and how gorgeous it looks. So yeah, this one is something I would really recommend. According to the price, the quality is top notch. The next thing which I've purchased from Amazon is a layered necklace, and this is how it looks. So you have like one layer of this chain, then you have one layer which has a heart, a very mini heart, and the next layer has this lock. So this is a really trending necklace, and this is from the brand called Jewels Galaxy. So I've seen so many influencers wearing this, and I was really interested to try this one out. So I got this one. This one is the most popular one. They also have many other necklaces in their collection which are also really beautiful, and they are also really trendy. I had worn this necklace in my get to know me tag video. I'll be attaching a picture over here in case you want to know how this looks when you wear this. And yeah, there's nothing much to say because I'm quite impressed by the quality, and it also looks really beautiful. You can style this in so many ways and wear it with so many outfits, and it will definitely amp up your casual outfits and everything. Now comes the star of this haul video. I've kept this for the end. I was literally waiting to show this one, and we have reached to the fashion category now. I have two stuffs from the fashion category. Both of them are such a steal. The first one is a ready-made blouse, and yeah, you'll be shocked when you see this one. So freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, just see this, how this is sparkling. This is a sequined blouse, and sequins are so much in trend nowadays, and we can never get enough of that. Like that's why we also want it in our ethnic wear, and that's why I got this one. So yeah, you can wear this with your saris and also your lehengas. If you remove this from the back, then you can wear this as a crop top too. And yeah, this reminds me of this crazy Bollywood, lehengas and saris, those looks. OMG, this will look fabulous. And yeah, ready-made blouse, मुझे भी ये लगता था कि ready-made blouses won't give a proper fit, but this one really gives a good fit. And this one ranges from quite a small size to a large size. Like, this one goes till 38 bust size, so you have a lot of options. And also, if you're more than that, then you can just open the stitching, and you can alter this a bit. Then you can use this for bigger bust sizes too. And if you think that this one is a little loose for you, it's not fitting you properly, then for that also you can adjust it. And yeah, this one has pads in it. The pads provide really good support, and if you don't want to use them, you can just remove them and wear your normal bra, because your bra will not show out from this one. And you also get extra material to get your sleeves attached in case you want. And talking about the quality, oh my god, the quality is really good. And also talking about the hooks, you get 5 hooks over here. That means so much of support. I've never seen blouses providing so many hooks. And also the hooks are like your bra hooks. They are really easy to put on. And yeah, the stitching is so good. Let me show the back also. This is how like the back looks like the whole blouse is covered with sequins, so it's really gorgeous. If you're wearing a blouse like this, you can keep your skirt a bit plain, and then also your outfit will look so gorgeous. So yeah, the although the outer part is sequined, doesn't mean this one is going to make you uncomfortable or is going to irritate your skin, because the inner fabric is very soft, it's very comfortable, and it's going to keep you really comfortable, trust me guys. And now let's come to the price. So I got this one for like rupees 385. Can you believe this? 385 for a blouse like this. And I'm actually getting shocked at the price with my own experience, because iske pehle bhi I have tailor made my blouses and for my lehengas and all, and they were so freaking expensive. They charged me like around rupees 1000 for only the blouse, and you're getting this ready-made. Even if you alter it a bit, if you think that it's not fitting you properly, then even if you alter it, that would not cost you much. If you can do stitching, you can do this on your own too. And yeah, this is so economical. I feel this is such a steal for a price like this. Definitely go and check this out. This is available in a plenty of other colors. If you're not liking this black and silver one, you can go for red, green. I think there are other colors too. So the link is there in the description box below. Go and check this one out. And yeah, the shadi season is here and everything, so just wear a blouse like this and you are going to rock it, girl. Just trust me guys. I think after you buy this, you'll be so impressed by the quality, you're going to thank me. So yeah, now comes the last product of this haul. It is also from the ethnic wear category, something I've been so excited to show. It's also such a steal. I mean, this is a lehenga, and just look at this. This one is grey in color. This one is ruffled lehenga, and I've been seeing this ruffled saris, ruffled lehengas in trend for so long. I always wanted to get one. Finally, I got the color. I'm loving it so much, and also this is really long. Like this one is giving a lot of ruffles. So if you're someone really tall, if you have very good height, then also it is very perfect for you. And if you're someone like me, like it's going beyond my height, so I'll be just removing one ruffle, and I think then it would fit me properly, otherwise I won't be able to walk. And also the best part about it, it's like ready-made. It comes fully stitched. You don't have to do anything with it. In the past, whenever I used to purchase lehengas, I used to take it to the tailor, and they used to do the interlock and everything. They used to make this thing where they used to attach this dory where you used to tie this one, but this one comes all with it, and you can adjust this according to your waist size. So that's something really great. Like if you are purchasing this, and if you're getting delivered like today, and if you have a function to attend tomorrow, you can just wear this. Like if you don't have to alter it, and or so you can just wear this and you can just attend that function. But pehle kya hota tha, when I used to buy lehengas, I used to order it, then it used to come like after a couple of days. Then I used to give it to a tailor, and they used to take at least 7 days, at least 7 to 10 days to stitch my lehenga and stitch my blouse, and then could I take it and wear it to any function I'm attending. But now it's not the case. You're getting ready-made, so you can wear this as it is. And the quality of the net, it is so good, and the inside material is also it has a satin finish sort of, so it's comfortable. It will not irritate your skin or something, so the inside part is really comfortable. And this one is very lightweight. I mean, we always have this conception that lehengas are meant to be a little heavyweight, but this one is so lightweight. Oh my god, I am so happy with this one. And this is not the end. It comes with a matching what to say, blouse. So this is how the blouse looks, like the blouse piece looks. You have to stitch it, of course. I think this would perfectly match with the blouse I've shown before. So if you are not thinking about making a blouse, like because whenever you're going to make a blouse, you have to spend, as I said, 700 to 1000, maybe more than that rupees to make that blouse. So you can simply purchase this lehenga, wear it with it and rock it. But still, if you want to make the blouse, then this is how the blouse piece looks. I'm going to show you the full thing. This is how the blouse piece looks. This is the front side, and this one has a velvet finish. I don't know if you're able to see this or not, but this one has a velvet finish, and I don't know how they are giving this at this price. OMG. This one, the blouse piece is also really gorgeous, and only this part is velvet. The inside part of this blouse is also really comfortable. So overall, I mean, if I had to rate this, I would rate this 100 out of 10. And now let's come to the price. So it's of course under 500. That's the benchmark I had set for my video. But this one retails for only rupees 399. I'm not kidding, guys. I will attach a screenshot over here. You can see this over here. It's only for 399. I think it's still retailing for 399 if you go and check this out. This one is also available in a bunch of other colors. So just what are you waiting for? Go and check this out. Even if you don't have Shadi to attend, wear this at your home and click pictures for the gram and everything. Just style it. You know, the price I'm paying and the product which I'm getting in return, I am super duper impressed. Big thanks to Amazon for delivering this to my place. I'm so happy with the quality. This, when you wear this skirt now, you'll feel like a dream. As I showed you, the blouse piece is also so gorgeous. They're like, it's not like you're paying less money. That means that they'll compromise on the quality and they'll give you whatever they want. They are not compromising on the quality. The quality is super good, and the design, the everything, the finish is so good. You don't have to do anything about the skirt only. It's fully made. Just you have to make the blouse, or you can buy a ready-made blouse like that, pair it with it, and you're good to go. This is something I would recommend 100 out of 10. So yeah, go and check this out. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this haul, and you also got some recommendations to buy from Amazon. So yeah, this was a super random haul, not categorized into something, but I hope that all the stuffs which I showed you were like useful, and of course they're super affordable. So yeah, tell me in the comment section below which was your favorite item from this whole haul video, and also let me know if you have any video suggestions I should make on this channel. And if you genuinely like this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it to never miss out on any updates. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be right somewhere over here. So I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. So until then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye.